Hey there, meet Sid's mom. She often tells Sid how everything has become so expensive nowadays. When she was in college, petrol was just 16 rupees, which is now 100 rupees. She could get a plate of sandwich at her college canteen for only 5 rupees, while Sid would have to pay 75 rupees for a plate today. But she is quite happy that the pretty gold chain she got on her 16th birthday cost just rupees 4,600 then. But today, it's worth 48,000. Seems unbelievable, right? This happens due to inflation, and it impacts various products differently. Inflation is the rise in the prices of things over time. Simply put, things that cost lesser in the past cost more today and are likely to cost even more in the future. So we can say that inflation reduces the purchasing power of money. This means that the same rupees 100 will buy lesser and lesser things over time than what it does today. Because inflation makes things more expensive every year, our income should also increase to help us take care of our expenses. This is why, while Sid's mom got only rupees 100 as her pocket money, Sid needs a whole lot more so that he can manage his expenses in today's times. Neat, isn't it? Wondering if there is a way cool to beat inflation? Yes, there is. You can beat inflation by wisely investing your money. We leave that for another video. Until then, keep moving.